In this video, I'm going to show you how to respond to meeting invitations in Google Calendar quickly and correctly, so you can let the organizer know whether you're attending, can't make it, or are still unsure. This is a simple but important workflow, especially if you're managing a busy schedule and need to keep your calendar updated without missing a meeting or confusing the host. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Google Calendar tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar loads, look for the meeting invitation you want to respond to. You can usually find it directly on your calendar, inside your inbox if it was sent by email, or as an event request waiting for your action. Click the meeting invitation to open the event details. This will show you the title of the meeting, the date and time, the organizer, and the response options. Once the event is open, look for the section labeled Going. This is where Google Calendar gives you the attendance choices. To accept the invitation, choose Yes. If you already know you will not attend, choose No. And if you're still uncertain, choose Maybe. Selecting the correct response helps keep your calendar organized and also gives the meeting organizer a clear idea of attendance. After you choose your response, Google Calendar may prompt you to decide whether you want to send your response to the organizer. If that prompt appears, review it carefully. In most cases, sending your response is the best option because it automatically notifies the organizer and keeps everyone on the same page. If you do send it, your attendance status will be updated and the organizer will see your reply. If you choose not to send it, your status may still update on your side, but the organizer may not receive a notification right away. Once you've made your selection, the event will reflect your response in Google Calendar. You'll usually see the status update right inside the event details, so you can confirm that your choice was saved. And that's really all there is to it. Responding to meeting invitations in Google Calendar only takes a few seconds, but it makes a big difference in keeping your schedule accurate and helping meeting organizers plan better. If this tutorial was useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Google Calendar tips, productivity guides, and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.